out 12, maybe 14 months out. And I think that's where you'll bottom out. And then you'll probably stay there for quite some time as you chop sideways. So again, I even think it could go below 20,000 if we do get a major stock market collapse as well. But again, I think at this point, 20,000 or just sub is probably the right target for me to go with it for now anyways. Targets. I mean, I still remember when we were at that 65, 70,000 range is you had, it was going to hit 100 by November. And then maybe, these crazy price targets were getting thrown out there. So I think at this point, you have to just understand that that's part of it. As an individual investor, you have to recognize that, right? You have to say, okay, this is a little insane. I'm not going to chase it up here. I'm going to wait for it to pull back. One of the best kind of analogies or examples I could give is, we all go to the mall, we all go shopping, right? Let's say I'm going out to shop for a pair of jeans and I go to the mall and I see that pair of jeans, and last week it was $50. This week they jacked it up to $300 for that pair of jeans. Am I going to be like, oh my God, I got to buy this pair of jeans. They just jacked it up to $300. No, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, wait till it's back on sale at $50. And I'll buy it there. People, for some reason in cryptocurrency, in stocks, they don't behave that way because emotion takes over. But I strongly encourage people to kind of think logically. But I still think that you can already see the inner workings of the weakness in cryptocurrency showing themselves, right? So if you look at the stock market, we've seen a general light correction in the stock market, nothing major yet. But, you're down 7 to 10% on the equity markets, and you have Bitcoin down over 30% from its high. So you can see how if the equity markets continue to correct, which I do expect them to do, the deleveraging of the overall system will take Bitcoin down much, much lower. And again, going back to the .coms back in the late 90s, early 2000s, the cryptocurrency area is so similar to that. And remember, when Amazon came out of that period, it was a $5 stock after the .com crash. Look at where it is now. So, I mean, I envision Bitcoin almost kind of like that performance of Amazon, where it's going to get smoked. But if you buy it at these lows that you should see within a year or so, you could be it's a major, major opportunity.